Publishing a NopCommerce store involves deploying it to a live web server to make it accessible to customers. Here's a step-by-step guide. Choose a hosting provider. Select a reliable hosting provider that supports ASP.NET Core and SQL Server. Ensure they offer a suitable environment for running NopCommerce. Prepare your database. Create a new database on your hosting server using SQL Server Management Studio or your hosting provider's database management tool. Ensure you know the database credentials. Publish NopCommerce. Open your NopCommerce project in Visual Studio. Right-click on the project in Solution Explorer, then select Publish. Choose a target based on your hosting environment. Configure the publishing settings and specify the destination folder. Upload files. If you publish to a local folder, use an FTP client to upload the published files to your web server's root directory. Configure the connection string. Edit the app settings.json file in the published folder. Update the connection string with your live database credentials. Run the application. Access your website via your domain name in a web browser. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Test your store. Ensure all features function correctly and troubleshoot any issues.